What's up, game? Welcome back to another video, and today we are playing Be a Parkour Ninja, and I'm with my boy.
What is up, y'all? CJ is ready, is back today with the game. Let's start Be a Parkour Ninja.
This game is called Be a Parkour Ninja. And me and Kaden will be the best ninjas in the world. Somebody behind me. Nah, buddy boy, you can't do that. Wait, alright, I forgot. New map. Attack on Titan? Nah, why I say Attack on Titan? I'm in Fortnite. Fortnite Battle Bus. Jumping out, parachute? Yeah. Ooh, I need to get a...
They're killing me. I need your help.
Oh, he got a giant sword. Wait, what is this? Nope. Me and Kane actually played this a little while ago, like a couple years ago. But since then, it was only in like early access game. So they have updated it, and we can definitely see the new updates, like the whole changing map. Oh, he's throwing kunai.
I got 3 kills.
Same guy. 4 deaths.
Who's throwing kunai?
Rockstar, whatever his name is. His name is Rockstar Boss 217. Oh yeah, you can fall off the map.
Oh, I died.
Or jump off.
That was my first death.
You throw some kunai.
That was my first death out of this whole game, out of this whole match.
I have an idea. The weapons are still the same. Yo, Kaden! I'm right behind. Kaden, behind you! We got Goku. Bro! You actually just killed me.
Oh, I did?
You dead now.
Don't kill me. I know.
Payback. It's payback.
No. And I just died. I got 6
That was
kills.
supposed to be... I have 0 kills.
Wow.
I suck.
How much deaths do you
I'm
have?
about to have 1 kill. Let's get it. I have 5 deaths. 6 deaths. Goku! Goku killed me, boy? Wait, what's his name?
So, why you over here?
Goku.
Well, you remember when
Yo.
you look at that big black Coke truck? Why you over here? Run him over?
Yeah.
That was
Not in real life, on a video game.
Yo, please go subscribe.
Please go subscribe to CJ is Ready on
Go
YouTube.
subscribe to the site.
Y'all, sub to me if y'all haven't. Oh wait. Yeah, 2 kills.
Hey.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know.
Now we got little help.
Okay then, where you at, bro? Where you at, bro?
Yeah.
I saw you.
Well, you bring the dog in. Bring me in.
Kitty.
Big fella, get over here.
I had to go bring in my
Are you
dog.
in?
Yep. I still need to kill.
What are you? My name is Korean.
Your name is Kaden Figures, so shut up.
My name is Korean Kitchen.
8 deaths.
Wait, how much death you got?
8. How much deaths you got? 6. It's gonna be 7, boy.
You got more deaths than me. I only got 11 kills. Hey, Wood, you're right there. Come here. I want to talk to you. Guys, be together. You just killed me.
Yup. Payback.
Oh.
Ooh!
No more kills. No payback. No more kills.
Okay. Hold on. Somebody just turned into a hot dog, bro. And
Wood,
they
I
gone.
want to see my body.
Kaden, look. Kaden, look. You wanna see this cool trick? I thought I pulled out the sword. 9 deaths.
You hot dog. And I just died.
Game face.
That's deaths do I have?
Song.
How much deaths do I have, William?
8.
I have 8 deaths. How much deaths do you have?
9.
God!
4 kills. You got 13 kills.
Yeah. You want to change?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I don't do drugs. You actually just killed me, bro.
Wait, I killed you?
Yeah. Game with CJ. It said game with CJ. Just killed you.
Oh, I didn't know that was you.
And guess what? It's finna say where's Tix. Just killed you.
Turn around because I can see the computer from the TV. Turn around on the TV.
I know. Whoa. Hold up. Who throwing kunai? Who throwing them kunai? Somebody throwing them kunai.
Wait, not
Oh.
even it's my choice.
Who you on for? Comment down below. Team Rams or Team Saints?
Not even not gonna press.
Oh,
No
oh,
more.
oh.
I'm looking for people,
What the-
but it looks like I can find them. Ooh, ooh.
Oh, he put that little ghost thing on.
Ooh, you came out of nowhere. That purple dude, whoever you, what your name is? My name's Chris King.
Oh! Thanos! I just got killed by Thanos!
You got killed by who?
Thanos! Y'all, after this episode, I am going to update my character. He is finna look different, so, hold up.
Look how much kills I got.
He has the highest kill list! He's number 1 on the kill list.
Me?
Yes, you!
How much
You have
kills
21
I have?
kills.
Oh my god.
21 kills and 10 deaths.
I'm still gonna
I have
kill you.
5 kills and 12 deaths. I wish that was...
Wow. Well,
How they gonna spawn me? How they gonna spawn me? Right where it kills me. And they count that as a death. But that's a user error. Not you. Why I say user error? That's game error. Y'all check the game is cool.
People on computers.
Game is cool,
I'm gonna
now,
Xbox kills here. But my name's Chris King.
but it's glitchy.
But my name's Chris King.
Bro, don't kill me. Bro, don't kill me. Oh, you gonna kill my brother? You gonna kill my brother?
You just killed.
No, I didn't.
You didn't? Oh, I see you. I'm helping you. I'm coming to help you. It's my
I
brother.
keep jumping.
You killed
That was totally on accident, I promise.
William. It just showed your character, but it showed a different name. Well, I see.
You don't see me, boy.
No. Six for the royal. I'm killing people. I know why I'm in the top 10.
Kaden, look. Oh, damn. You just killed me!
Huh?
Bro, you finna get this work. You finna get this work. Alright, hold on.
What? Are you about to kill me?
You just killed me.
I didn't know. I knew you were over there. I didn't see you. No, please don't kill me.
Hey,
I didn't see
heavy
you.
sword. Y'all, I got the heavy sword. This is like, remind me of Final
How?
Fantasy. You just equipped it.
How do you equip it?
My dude. Okay. I'll take a kill. 3 kills, sure.
William, how do you equip it?
You have to die and then go to like the screen, and then where on the first one.
I just restarted. Go to what?
Here we go. Had to help him out.
Hey, William.
Yo, what's up? Big sword, heavy sword squad. Y'all actually wanna?
Come here, William, come here.
that Autumn?
Somebody tried to find my homie.
Is that Autumn? Hold up, is that my cousin right there? Did she really? Did Autumn just join my game, bro?
Autumn joined. Hey.
Hold on, for real?
Autumn just killed me. I think that's Autumn.
No, it doesn't. That's not her.
That's not Autumn?
No. Oh, I just picked up somebody's sword. Ooh. But I'm gonna keep with that. This heavy sword's kind of hard to fight with. One shot, one kill.
Oh, that heavy sword is one kill.
Oh, let's get it, let's get it.
That heavy sword, one slice.
Yep.
Huh?
Bro, Kane, somebody behind you.
Oh, I just killed somebody, and they put some white down, some snow or something. I don't know what it's called.
Smoke!
Yeah, smoke. Get over here, yo. Ooh, I killed 2 people at one time, and somebody turned into a hot dog. Somebody turned into a hot dog.
Ashlyn, you just died in. Ashlyn, you just died in. You should. Forever!
William,
So.
you want to go to church?
Of course, William's gonna say no. He don't want to go. No, I'll be right back. I just have to go see my godson.
Zay?
No, I have another one down the road now.
I'm looking for people, but I only have 28 kills. I need 29 kills. Yeah.
Kaden,
That was nice.
Kaden,
Yeah.
meet me on top of this tree.
What top tree? The tallest?
No, you see where I'm at? You see me?
Yeah. William, I can't follow you. Sword! People keep killing me.
I can't have the heavy sword. It's too slow, way too slow.
That is.
Heavy sword.
But it's only one slice and boom, you're dead.
Kaden, you wanna see something?
What?
Where you at?
Yeah, I got 30 kills.
Bro, where you at?
Bro. What sword do you have?
The regular?
Steel sword.
The regular?
Why?
Because the heavy sword's too slow. This is just a nice,
It only
easy.
has one slice.
But this one has a nice, easy. Yo, play that back, bro. I said, yeah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, I didn't kill.
Forest. Legged. Oh, this was the map they had in the demo. It was always this default map.
Ooh, yeah, I can't have it. I can't have it. Oh my God, heavy sword, man. It's only one slice.
But the katana is faster though, so it gives you that slicing power. But I think that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you love, consider subscribing. If you already haven't, please like the video. If you love my content, you want other people to know, tell your fans, your family, your friends, and if you have any games and suggestions that you want to see me play, I will see what I can do. But hope you guys enjoyed. See you, my Reapers. Peace out. Bye.